I introduce myself. I am Avinash Gavanji Bhoye from Mumbai Public School, Dharavi Kalakila.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Okay, good morning, all of you. In scholarship exam, we see different questions asked on fraction, like vulgar fraction, equivalent fraction, proper and improper fraction, then decimal fraction also. So, from all of above, we will see equivalent fraction in today's lesson. Okay, now let's start the lesson.
Yes.
See here, the name of topic is equivalent fraction. Okay, now students observe these figures and tell me the fraction of for each figure. Yes, student.
So,
See the first one, this one. What is the fraction for this figure?
3,
Yes.
3.
See here this is square, okay, and here total parts are 4 and colored
4.
part is
1.
1. So what is the fraction?
3 upon 1.
3 upon 1 or 1 upon 4?
1 upon 4.
1 upon 4, because out of 4, one portion is colored. Now
Yes.
see the second one. Total parts are, how many total parts are here?
8.
8, and colored parts are
2.
2. So what is the fraction?
8 upon 1. 2 upon 8.
2 upon
8.
8. Very good. Now see the third one. How many total parts are here?
17.
17.
No.
Okay, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16.
16.
So the total parts are 16 and colored parts are
4.
out of
4
6.
upon 16.
Yes. Now see, if we simplify two fractions, okay, from
Yes.
second figure and third figure, what we get? If we divide 2 and 8 by 2, okay,
Yes.
see here, 2 divided by 2 divided by 2. So what will we get?
4.
Yes, 2 divided by 2 is
4.
2 ones are 2, and 8 divided by 2, then what we get?
6.
2 fours are 8. It is division, not subtraction. So we will get 1 upon 4. Here also, if we divide this fraction by 4, we divide numerator and denominator by 4, then what will we get? 4 divided by 4 is 4 divided by 4 is yes, 4 ones are 4, and 16 divided by 4, 4 fours are 4 fours are 16. So here we also get 1 upon 4. So now see, all fractions are equal, or the value of each fraction is equal. So see the diagrams. In the first one, 1 upon 4. In second one, 2 upon
2 upon 8.
and in third one, 4
4
upon
upon 16.
16. And see now, the colored parts are equal in each diagram. Only the total number of parts are different. So
Difference.
value of each of this diagram is equal, or fraction of each diagram is equal. Now we will see it in briefly. See here, the fraction for first diagram is 1 upon 8. In second one, it is 2 upon 8. And in fourth one is 4 upon 16. So read the lines below. Yes. These are fractions which appear differently but have the same value. See, the colored part is equal. So all the fractions are equal. Okay. See here. This is one whole, or it is whole part. And now see the second one.
2 part.
Two
1
parts.
upon 2.
1 upon 2, 1 upon 2, because the whole part converted into half half. Now see the
Yes.
third one. How many total parts? 4 parts. Okay.
4 parts.
So it is quarter. 1 upon 4, 1 upon 4, 1 upon 4, and 1 upon 4. Now in the last one, how many total parts?
8.
8. Okay. Now see, we can see that this is first one, it is one whole. Now second, if we add both half and half, what will we get? 2 by 2. In the third one, if we add all 4 parts, then 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4. Then what we will get? We get 4 by 4. And in the last one, there are total 8 parts. By adding them, we get 8 upon 8. So these fractions have the same value but different numbers only. So see here, 1 upon 1 is 1.
1.
2 upon 2 is
1.
1. Yes. And 4 upon 4 is
1.
yes. And 8 upon 8 is
1.
so all the value of fraction is equal. Yes.
Yes.
So these fractions are called as equivalent fraction. Okay, 1 upon 1 is equal to 2 upon 2, and 2 upon 2 is equal to 4 upon 4. So all these fractions are equal to each other. So these fractions are called as equivalent fraction.
Yes.
Okay, now here, example of equivalent fraction. See the first one. It is example of pizza. Okay. See the first one. Read the fraction.
1 upon 2.
2 upon 2.
1 upon 2. Very good. Now in the second one.
2
read the
upon
frac-
4.
2
Yes.
upon 4.
And in the third one.
4 upon
4
8.
upon 8.
Okay, good. Now we will simplify these fractions. 2 upon 4. If we divide numerator and denominator by 2, then what will we get in the second figure? This
2
one.
upon 2.
If we divide
2.
1 by 2.
1 by 2, and in the third one, if we divide 4
1 by 2.
by 4 and 8 by 4, then what will we get?
1 by 2.
1 by 2. So all of these fractions are equal or not equal?
Equal.
Equal. So is it equivalent fraction or not equivalent fraction?
Equivalent fraction.
Equivalent fraction. Very good. Now see some more examples of equivalent fractions. Read the first one.
1 upon 3.
1 upon
2
3. Yes.
upon 6. 4
Yes.
upon 12.
Okay, very good. Then what will we observe in diagrams? Can you tell
Color
me?
part is 1.
Colored part
There
is
is color part is 1.
yes. In second one,
Color part
2
is
color part.
and in the third one.
4
4
color part.
color part.
Okay, now tell me the colored part is colored portion is equal or not equal in each shape or diagram?
Equal.
Equal, yes. But the total number parts are different. Means the numbers are different, but the value of each diagram is equal. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, now we will simplify it. If we divide second fraction by 2, then what will we get? If we divide 2 by 2 and 6 by 2, then what will get? 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6. Okay, now in the third one, we divide both numerator and denominator by 4. Then what will we get? 4 ones are 4 and 4 threes are.
It is a 12.
So see, the value of each fraction is equal. That is 1 upon 3. So these are equivalent fraction. Yes?
Yes.
Yes. Good. Now, here some problems for you. Write an equivalent fraction for each of these. Okay. Now see, the first one is given 1 upon 2. Then what will be? Come
2
see
upon 4. 2
2
upon
upon
4.
4. Very good.
4.
So we will write 2 here. Good. Now, what will here come? 1 upon 2 is equal to
3 upon 6.
3 upon 6. Very good. So here the colored parts are 3 and total parts are 6. So these are equivalent fractions.
Yes. Yes.
Why? Because the numbers are different but values are equal. See, the colored parts are, or the colored portion is equal. Now here
Now.
what will come in the box?
8. 4 upon 8.
4 upon 8, because the total number of parts in the this figure is 8. So we will write 8 here. Okay, good. Now here
10.
5 upon 8 is
16.
equal to
10
yes
upon 16.
16. Very good. Okay, there is another method also. See, 5 upon 8 and 10 upon 16 is equivalent. Then see, if we multiply both numerator and denominator by the same number, then we get another equivalent fractions. Okay, see here, 5 into 2 is,
10.
and 8 into 2
10.
is, 8 into 2 is 16.
16.
So the answer is correct. 10 upon 16. Very good. Now, tell me the fractions for these diagrams.
First.
See,
First,
observe this diagram. Yes,
2 upon 3.
2
2
upon
upon
3.
3.
Yes, is equal to here.
1 minute.
Yes.
8 upon 12.
8 upon
12.
12. Very good. Is it equivalent?
Yes.
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 Now, observe the second one.
1 minute, sir.
Yes, yes. The total number of parts is,
9 upon 12.
yes, it is 9 upon
12.
12.
Equal to 3
Yes,
upon 3 upon 4.
3 upon 4. Is it equivalent?
Yes.
Okay, good. Now, observe the third one.
5 upon 10. 5 upon 5. 5 upon 10.
10. Okay. And
1 upon 2 is equal to 1 upon 2.
Okay, so all of these are equivalent fractions. Good.
Yeah.
Now here, how can you find equivalent fractions? Okay, these are tricks. Equivalent fractions can be found by multiplying or dividing both the numerator and the denominator by the same number. So if you want to find the equivalent fraction, then we can divide or
Divide
multiply
or multiply.
both,
Numerator or
yes,
denominator.
by the same number. Good. Then when the same numerator and denominator in a fraction, it always equals. Okay. When you multiply or divide a number by 1, you get the same number.
Yes.
So as long as you multiply or divide both the top and the bottom of fraction, or numerator and denominator of a fraction by the same number, it's just the same as multiplying or dividing by 1, and we don't change the value of the fraction. So it is very easy to find the equivalent fraction. We must
Yes.
divide or multiply the numerator and denominator of fraction by the same number.
Yes.
Now here is the another rule also,
Hmm.
that is cross multiplication. If we want to check the fraction is equivalent or not equivalent, just do the cross checking by, see here, multiply the numerator of first fraction by denominator of second fraction. If this multiplication of both are equal, then the fractions are equivalent. See here, a upon b is equal to c upon d. So if a multiplied by d is equal to b multiplied by c, then the fraction is equivalent. Okay, now take one example. If 2 upon
Yes.
3 and 4 upon 6, is it equivalent or not equivalent? Okay, now we will check by this method. Okay,
2
so here,
multiplied by 6. 2
yes, 2
multiplied by
multiplied
6
by 6.
is equal to 3 multiplied by 4.
Okay, now 2 multiplied by 6 is equal to 12.
12.
3 multiplied by 4 is equal to 3 fours are.
12.
12.
So is it equivalent or not equivalent?
Equivalent.
Okay, good. So this is the rule to check the fraction is equivalent or not equivalent. Very good. Now see here, 3 upon 4 is equal to 9 upon 12. So we will multiply 3 into 12 and 9 into 4. So here we get 36 is equal to 36. So this is equivalent fraction. Okay, this is written. A simple way to look at how to check for equivalent fraction is to do what is called cross multiply, which means multiple the numerator of the fraction by the denominator of the fraction. Okay. See here how to cross multiply. Now we will see some illustrative examples. Okay, now read the question.
An equivalent fraction 4 upon 6 is
Okay, can you tell me the answer? Which one is equivalent to the 4 upon 6?
1 minute.
Yes. 4 upon 6. So first of all, we will simplify this. If we multiply 4 and 6 by the same number, that is 2. So what will we get? 1 upon 3. Okay. So which one is equivalent to this one? That is 4 2 upon 3. So which one is the correct answer?
3.
3. Okay. So simply by dividing both numerator and denominator by 2, then we will get 2 upon 3. So the third option is right. See here the explanation. In fraction 4 upon 6, numerator and denominator are multiple of 2. So we will divide both numerator and denominator by 2. So by dividing by 2, we will get 2 upon 3. So the answer is third one. Now read this one.
Write
Appropriate
appropriate number in the blank.
blank square. So here, this is also the question on equivalent fraction. 39 upon, okay. So first of all, we simplify this one. See here, 39 and 117 are the multiple of 13. So we will multiply this by 13. Have you learned the table of 13?
Yes.
Okay. Now, tell me the table of 13.
13 1 are 13, 13 2 are 26, 13 3 are 39, 13
So,
4 are
so 13 3s are 39. Then
39.
13 4s are,
13.
yes. Okay, 13 9s are 117. So here,
9.
see, what will the come? 39 upon 107, 17 is equal to 3 upon 9.
9.
So which number?
First.
9. Very good. The first one is very correct. Good. So you must learn the tables.
Yes, I learned.
Good. See here the explanation. 39 upon 117. We will divide both numerator and denominator by 13. So we will get 3 upon 9. So the first one is correct. Now read the third one.
An equivalent fraction 7 upon 9 with denominator 81 each.
So here 7 upon 9 is equal to, so 81 is denominator or numerator?
Denominator.
So okay, denominator. So what will comes here in the box? See here, already 81 is given. So if we multiply 9 by 9, then we will get 81. So in the numerator part, we also multiply it
63.
by, very good.
63. Third.
Third, very good. The third one is very correct answer. Good. See here, 7 upon 9, we multiplied both numerator and denominator by 9. Then we get 63 upon 81. To convert denominator to 81, we will multiply numerator and denominator by 9. So the answer is third one.
Yeah.
Okay. Now read the fourth one.
Which of the following pair is equivalent?
Which of the following pairs is equivalent fractions?
Okay. Now we have to check which one is equivalent. Okay. We check the first one. 5 upon 9, 13 upon 54. So we simplify 30 upon 54. So these are the multiples of 6. So, okay, now 30 divided by 6, then we will get
5.
5. And 54 divided by,
Equivalent.
yes, so this comes 5 upon 9. So the first one is equivalent. Then we don't have to check the other because the answer is only one. So the first one is right, then we don't have to verify others. Okay, so the
Yes.
first one is correct answer. If the first one is wrong, then go to the second.
Yes.
If the first one is right, then don't check others. See here, from the given option, in option 1, 30 divided by 54 divided by 6, both numerator and denominator, then we will get 5 upon 9. So the first one is correct answer. Now read this one.
From the following fraction, which fraction represents the equivalent fraction to the fraction shown in the diagram?
Okay. Now tell me the fractions given in diagram.
2 upon 5.
2 upon 5. Good. 2 upon 5. Okay. So which fraction is equivalent to this?
First.
1 upon 5 is incorrect. Now check the 15 by 75. 15 by 75. These are the multiples of 15 only.
No.
So 15 upon 15 ones are 15. 15 5s are 75. So this is incorrect. Now check the third one. 32 divided by 80. This is multiple of 16. You know the table of 16?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. 16 ones are 16. 16 twos are?
Incorrect.
Yes, it is true. And 16 fives are 80. So the third one is correct. So which one is the equivalent fraction to the figure?
Third one.
32 upon 80. Good. See here explanation. In given diagram, out of 5 portions, 2 portions are colored. Hence the value of fraction is 2 upon 5. Therefore, to find out its equivalent fraction, 2 divided by 5 is equal to 2 into 16 divided by 5 into 16, that is 32 upon 80. So the third one is correct answer. Now read the sixth one.
An equivalent
fraction for
3 upon
3 upon 7 multiplied by 3 upon 7 is.
Okay. Now we have to find out the value of this fraction. 3 multiplied by 3 is
9.
9, and 7 into 7 is
7. 7 to 7, 7 to the 14, 7 to the 21, 7 for the 28, 7 for the 35,
Yes.
7 to the 42, 7 to the 49.
So it is 49. So which one is the equivalent fraction to the 9 upon 49? Okay, we will try on the first one. 27 upon 147. These are the multiples of 3. Okay, so we will divide it by 3. So 3 nines are 27. Okay, now we multiply 147 by 3. 3 fours are 12.
0 to 7.
Yes. And 3 nines are
27.
okay. So it comes 9
9
upon.
upon 49.
So is it equivalent?
No.
9 upon 49 is already here. See, and here it also
In
comes 9 upon
option there
49.
is
So
not.
yes.
In option there is not.
See here 27 upon 47 is 147 is
Yes.
given. So is it equivalent? Yes.
Yes.
So first one is equivalent to the given fractions. And there is another method also. Okay. So here it is 9 upon 47. So we will multiply it both numerator and denominator by 3. Okay. So 9 threes are
27.
27. Okay. Now here we will do 49 multiplied by 3. So 9 threes are 27. Here comes 2. 4 threes are 12. 12 plus 2 is 147. So see here, by multiplying both numerator and denominator by 3, we get 27 upon 147. So the first one is correct answer. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So by multiplying or dividing both numerator and denominator by the same number, we get the equivalent fractions. See here, taking squares. So multiplying by 3 to the both numerator and denominator, we get 27 upon 147. So the first one is correct answer. Now read the seventh one.
An equivalent fraction 2 upon 3 multiplied by 4 upon 3 is.
Okay, so here we have to do multiplication first one. In multiplication, we divide numerator part in numerator and denominator part in denominator. So here 2 into 4 divided by 3 into 3. So 2 into 4 is
8.
3 into 3 is
9.
okay. So which one is equivalent to the 8 upon 9? First one is right or wrong? 16 upon 9. It is wrong.
Wrong.
Because, yes. Now we will check the second one, 72 upon 81. See here.
Correct.
Second one
Correct.
is correct. How?
Because
Yes. If we divide it by 9, then
9 by the 9.
yes.
8 9s are 72. 9 9s are 81.
Good. Very good. So 8 upon 9 is correct answer. There is other method also. 8 upon 9 is come. So if we multiply it by 9, so we will get 72 upon 81. So the second one is correct answer. Good. Here, one word problem. Read the problem.
There are distribute 16 mangoes out of 40 to denote this distribution. An equivalent fraction can be.
Okay. So Nila distributed 16 mangoes out of 40 to denote this distribution. An equivalent fraction can be. So here, tell me what is the fraction of the word problem? Nila distributed 16 mangoes out of 14. So total number of mangoes is
40.
40. Out of 40, how many mangoes he distributed?
16.
16. So the fraction is 16 upon 40. Okay, we will simplify this fraction. These are the multiples of 8. See here. So 16 upon 8 is 2 and 14 upon 8 is 5. So here the fraction comes 2 upon 5. Now, which one is equivalent to the 2 upon 5? Check the first one, 20 upon 50. Is it equivalent or not equivalent? Yes, student? If we divide it by 10, then what will we get? 20 divided by 10 is 2 and 50 divided by 10 is 5. So the first one is correct or incorrect?
Correct.
Correct. So the equivalent fraction for 16 upon 40 is 20 upon 50. Good. This is explanation given. Okay. Now read this one.
7 upon 35 is equals to 1 upon 5. Is equals to
Okay.
Then-
Box upon 90 is equal to 2 upon 10. So we have to find the required number in box. So see, all of these are equivalent fractions. So we compare to only 90 upon 2 upon 10. Okay. So see here, 10 into 9 is 90. Okay. So 2 into 9 is equal to
18.
2 into 9 is
18.
18. And 10 into 9 is 90. So which number comes in the box?
18. Third option.
18. So third option is correct. Very good. So see here, the third one is the correct answer. Okay, these are problems for your evaluation. These problems are for you. So you have to solve it. Now tell me the answer. Which one is equivalent fraction of 3 upon 5? Can anyone tell me?
5.
Yes. Which one is the correct answer?
9 upon 15.
9 upon 15. Okay, we will check it. 3 upon 5. So if we multiply both by 3, yes, it is correct way to check. So 3 into 3 is
9.
9 and 5 into 3 is
15.
so the fourth one is very correct. Very good. Correct answer. Okay, now solve this. 14 upon 49 is equal to 2 upon box. So tell me the answer. 40 upon 49. These are the multiples of 7. So we can divide it by 7. 14 upon 7 is
7 to the 14.
yes.
7 to the 14.
7 7 are
2 upon
Which-
7. Second.
2 upon 7. So the second one is correct answer. Good. Okay. This is for your homework. Okay. Our time is over. This question for your homework and then this one. Okay, we will solve this. Which diagram represent an equivalent fraction of 16 upon 64? Can you tell me the answer? 16 upon 64. So first we will simplify it. So these are the multiples of 16 only.
16 1 was 16.
60 ones are 16 and 16 twos are 32. Then 16 fours are 64.
Yes.
So which diagram is correct or equivalent to the given fraction? Yes, fourth one. Very good. The fourth one is right option for the given fraction.
Mm.
Okay, this is your homework.
Sir, 1 second.
Yes. Okay, thank you all of you. Stay home, stay safe. Take care. Have a good day.
You, sir.